Iba man doktrina yan, iba man doktrina yan. Ang problema ng mga tao ay naghihiwa-hiwalay. Walang comprehension sa Bible. Don't read the Bible. If you read the Bible, study it.
Reading without comprehension.
And then preach it. And then, no.
Mahirap yan.
Study it. And then,
Understand.
obey it. Practice it. And then i-preach mo. Eh maraming mga nag-aaral sa seminaryo, pinag-aralan, pinreach. Walang practice. Nagtuturo ka ng church growth, ang timbago, di lumalago. Nagtuturo ka ng discipleship, wala kang dini-disciple. Teka muna, sabi mo sa katabi mo, ayusin mo yung buhay mo, ayusin.
Ayusin natin buhay natin.
Si Pastor Boy, may karapatan niya sa church growth. Bakit? Ito eh. Tingin mo eh. Kung ako, sabi ko nga, pupunta sila ng Luzon. Ini-invite ko sila mag-preach sa church growth. Bakit? Remember, I'm a pastor who will not preach but I don't practice. Kaya ako ganito katindi. I'm already 71 years old and I believe that the Lord is telling me this. Huwag mo pababayaan ang mga simbahan. After this, we will go to Qatar. After this, we will go to what? To New Zealand. And then we go everywhere. Because I believe the church must go back to Great Commission. That is my introduction.
Introduction pa lang.
Amen.
Amen.
Marami pa lang para sila. Nakagano'n lang nila. Folks, sabihin natin, welcome future.
Welcome, future.
Hindi tayo faithfulness, yung nakaraan. Welcome the future. There is nothing wrong to remember the past, but don't forget to welcome the future. Huwag tayo makontento sa nagawa na natin. Ang importante sa legacy, hindi yung iiwan mo, kundi ang importante sa legacy, ano ang ipapasa mo. And that is the legacy. Kaya nga, we need to prepare unborn child. Bakit tayo nag-prepare? Kasi maraming mga tao, ipanganganak-anak. At gusto ko, paano pa lang sila ipanganak? Dapat nag-born again na sila. There are so many people who are still unborn. That's why we need to prepare. One way of welcoming the future is passing our legacy to the next generation. I was so blessed. Kanina umaga, would you imagine ang tumutugtog sa kanila 12 years old, 15 years old? Those are legacy. Tandaan mo natin, one way of welcoming future is passing our legacy to the next generation. A leader must be a living legend. I mean, a living legacy. You must not be a living legend. Wala akong kilala na nabubuhay na legend. Si Joe Ross lang yan.
Bruce
Pag
Lee.
sinabing legend, hindi totoo. Pag sinabing legacy, totoo. Amen. Eh wala eh. Kung ang mga pastor, papagwapuhan na lang dito, makaiba na tayo tatanong ni Pastor Charles, siya lang pinakagwapo nito. Amen. O ayaw umimin. O kita mo. O baguhin natin. Pinakagwapo si Pastor Johnny. Amen. O kita mo, mas maraming fans. O palakpakan natin si Lord. Kaya na importante makita natin, we go back to what the Lord is saying. A leader must be a living legend and not a living legacy, not a living legend. Tama?
He must be a living
Magkaiba yan ha?
legend. He
May living legend sa living legacy. I'm a living legacy.
must not be a
Walang mapapasahan ang living legend. Kaya kita mo, wala pa pareho si Michael Jordan, wala pa pareho si
Bruce Lee.
Muhammad Ali.
Wala rin.
Mga legend lang yan. Pero ang gusto ng Diyos, dapat living legacy na. We must duplicate yourself to your children. I-duplicate mo yung sarili mo sa iyong mga anak. Sabi ng iba, Pastor, pag ikaw namatay, huwag naman sana. Sabi niya, Pastor, who will be the next? Sabi ko, kaya nga ako nag-disciple ng 12 eh. One of you will be my successor. Ang sabi ko doon sa Puranagan, kahapon, sabi ko, bakit tayo nag-disciple? Why? Why we need to do that? Because you need a successor.
Successor.
Pag ikaw ay pastor,
Pareho
wala kang
kay Jesus
successor,
Christ, may
wala
successor,
kang mga
Job.
kasimbahan. Always check our motives. And remember, not what we had for generations to come. A leader cannot pass something until he knows what to pass. Wala kang may ipapasa kung hindi mo alam kung ano ipapasa mo. In order for us to understand legacy, you know what are you going to pass. Because leader, Irene, must pass something to the next generation. God put something to you. His plan will come to pass. Remember, hindi ka iiwan ng Diyos hanggat hindi natatapos ang plano niya sa iyo. God